Hey guys, it's Jay from Northern Kids, and today it's really cold outside, so we're gonna stay inside.
And we're gonna make some slime. I'm gonna make purple slime with purple glitter. This looks super cool. Whoa, look at this. It's so purple and glittery. Whoa. They're going to do green.
Green.
Wow, looks cool.
We got some green paint in your glue and some green glitter.
Right. Whoa! Mine looks greenest.
The greenest?
Yeah, the greenest. Mine looks pretty full.
Beautiful.
We are going to pour in the activator. Let's turn into slime. You can have a little. Stir until you have a lot. I'd like to give a big shout out to Stacy and Heather. This slime's for you. I don't have slime yet. I'm gonna have a little more. I'm going to. We just added activator. Look at that.
We're turning into slime.
I just can't get your slime. Let me help. Mine's super heavy. Mine's too heavy, Mom. I like my slime. It's nice and stretchy. And mine too. Mine is super stretchy. Whoa, this is good for bubbles. This I watched a YouTube show and it looks just like one of their slimes. Mom, my slime is too heavy.
It's too heavy.
Yeah. Hey, it sort of matches my nails. Jenny made a bubble. Cool. Whoa.
We have some slime in a shirt. We're going to show them a little trick on how to get slime out of your clothes.
So first you have to try and get as much slime out of the shirt as you possibly can. All I do is kind of pinch the shirt and I pull off the loose slime a little bit more. So next we're going to pour plain white vinegar on the slime on the shirt. I hope it doesn't get
Soak
wet.
it.
I don't want the shirt to get soaked. There. And then use an old rag to scrub it off. It's come off better.
So you scrub off as much as you can.
Scrub off as much as you can.
Good. Okay, and then that right there, while soaked in vinegar, is going to go in the washing machine.
And this is the shirt that we had the slime on and it's all off.
See? Vinegar. Vinegar is your friend.
The plain white vinegar gets slime out of your shirts, your furniture, your carpet, so the vinegar can take out dried up slime or just slime that you just made. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, give us a big thumbs up and please subscribe. Remember to start your own adventures, get outside, stay safe, and have fun. Bye!